we're gonna make the chai, and I'm gonna do it from scratch, and I'm also gonna have a stopwatch timer so you guys see how long it really takes to make this, you know, and to show you guys how I even heated it up. Nothing. It just depends also on your stove, like how fast things heat up. So let's get started. Sorry for the messy kitchen. You know, that doesn't matter. You have to add 1 cup of water. And then let's turn on the heat. I only have a half teaspoon on me, so I'm gonna, you have to put 3 teaspoons, and I only have a half, so I'm gonna just put it double of the amount to equal 3 teaspoons. So let's do that. So I have it in here, so you can see it's not boiling yet. So far, 1:26. It's been 3 minutes and 26 seconds, and it's getting ready. Once it's boiling, I have to stop boiling, and yeah, so far it's doing good. Okay, it's been 6 minutes 34 seconds, and it's stopped boiling. I turned it off and letting it simmer for 3 minutes. Then I'm gonna add my milk, which I already have ready here, and then it's gonna take another 3 minutes, and then we strain it and sweeten it, and we'll be ready. Okay, it's been about 3 minutes, and it's time to add the milk. It's such a pretty color so far. And then you have to let it boil again, and then steep it for 3 minutes, and then basically you're done. So far it's not taking super long. Here's an update, and it's boiling now, so I'm gonna cut it off and let it steep for 3 minutes, and then I'm gonna prepare my cup of coffee, and it'll be done. And it's done now. I'm just gonna add it to my cup here, and that's it. It took literally 18 minutes. Okay, I finished straining it. That's how it looks. Hi, I go under the name of Sweet Dream, and I do review videos for fun. I review products that I'm gonna be using in my own house or for myself. That whether that be skincare or anything like that, and or if it's gonna be for a family member that I want to give it to. Just letting you know, some of these products I review, it's either between I bought the product myself or the product was gifted to me by the brand. I'm just letting you know so you're self-aware. And then the link down below takes you to Amazon. I am an Amazon affiliate. So if you purchase through my link, I may get a commission at no cost to you. So I'm just letting you know so you're aware of that. And that link does take you straight to Amazon on your, if you're on the phone and you click on it, it's going to take you straight to your, if you have the app downloaded on Amazon, it's going to take you straight there. And like I said, I just review stuff for fun, and I'm really grateful for doing this. If you want to see more, I do post as much as I can, and just like and follow and subscribe.